Well, if you can draw, you can burn it. How about that? That's the idea behind Scorch Marker. We've got Evan von Elkin. He is here to tell us about his amazing product. How are you?
Hi, Elsa. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
I'm
appreciate
super
it.
excited to be here.
Yeah, hold it back up. I want to see that Scorch Marker
Oh,
and
yeah,
tell
of
us
course.
what it is exactly.
So, this is the product that my wife and I invented. And so, I have kind of a funny story for you because it's
Okay.
not your average invention story. But I want to show you another picture. This is me just recently hired as a firefighter recruit here in Southern California.
Oh,
And the
congratulations.
plaque that I'm holding, thanks. And so, the plaque that I'm holding up is made out of it's a big chunk of walnut. And so my wife and I, we wanted to commemorate this experience with everybody that I got hired with at the fire department. And so we really wanted to wood burn some letters on there,
Yes.
specifically our motto, together in, together out, because it was all about brotherhood. And so when I finished making this big giant walnut 8 and I had everything put together, I pulled out my wood burning tool and I plugged it into the wall and I absolutely screwed up everything.
Oh
I
no.
did not know what I was doing. And I thought that I could handle it. I'm like, oh, I'm a fairly artistic person. I got this. I was so wrong.
No.
And so after scouring YouTube and looking into other things, my wife and I came up with a non-toxic chemical solution that can do the exact same thing that a wood burning tool can do,
Wow.
but in a little bit of a different way.
Okay, so how does it work?
That's a good question. So basically, what you do is you draw on wood with the scorch marker, and then
Mhm.
you apply heat. And the heat triggers a reaction and causes the wood to burn only where you had drawn with the marker. So, what that means is that you can actually use vinyl stencils and wood burn your patterns using stencils for now. Or
Wow.
you can wood burn using vinyl stencils finally, which is really cool. Let me show you what it looks like. So, you have something like this, which starts off as like one of our sourwood rounds. We sell these in our store. They come from the United States. They're trees that are getting cleared for developments and other things like that. And we repurpose them for our customers to make art out of. And
Got it.
so this coaster right here had been drawn on with a scorch marker and heated up. And that's the kind of design you get.
That is amazing. And look at that detail that you can do now
Yeah,
because it's such a fine point that you have on the marker. That is really
absolutely.
amazing.
There's actually 2 points on the marker. We made it so it has a bullet tip on one end, and then on the other end, if you unscrew it, it comes out with a foam brush. So a little unique, a little fun, gives you
Wow.
some more options to create. We wanted
Yeah,
to
a
make
lot
it.
more details. Well, the layperson in me, I like to paint. That is one of my hobbies. And I
Okay.
always think I'm going to branch out into more multimedia and start doing that. And I never thought about this. So now look at me. I can do that. You make it easy for us to just try it without it being a whole, now I've got a blowtorch that I'm trying
That's our
to
goal.
do.
That's our
I
goal. We
love
just want to
that.
make wood burning easier and more accessible. That's really it.
Exactly.
We're not trying to replace it. Just make it more fun.
Right. Exactly. Exactly. All right.
Mhm.
So if there are people like me that are like, oh, I want to try this, you're giving us a discount, right?
I am. I am. Anyone watching this video gets the coupon code midday 2021, which will
Mhm.
give each one of your customers 20% off plus free shipping on our website at
Oh,
scorchmarker.com.
that is great. Okay, so 20% off plus free shipping. Again, you're just going to use that coupon code midday 2021. All right. Evan Van Auken,
That's
this
it.
is really amazing. Kudos to you and your wife on this invention. We appreciate you bringing it here to Midday Maryland. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.